Chopper Fett channel. My name is Brett. Let's roll that intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to Chopper Fett Studios. My name's Brett, and again, we make motorcycle related videos and motorcycle vlogs. Today I want to talk about something that has helped me as a YouTuber grow in the motorcycling community, and that's SUPPORTMVC. So, if you don't know what SUPPORTMVC is, essentially it was a hashtag created by a few of the people. I think some of the 5 Dirty Bikers are part of it as well. And essentially it's a way for us as motorcycle vloggers to come together and share our content and try and grow our channels. I've had a ton of success, and I want to kind of spotlight some of the people who within the SUPPORTMVC have helped me grow personally. So the first one that we're going to do and be featured for this week is the Blue Bike Doyle, and you can find his channel right here somewhere. So the Blue Bike Doyle, he was the very first person to give me a shout out on a video. It was somewhere, I believe, around March the 1st, and he was doing a Sunday Fun Day, which is where he rides around and he talks about other channels to, kind of go and check out. And I remember on that day, I started getting subscription upticks from random people saying, hey, Doyle sent me, hey, Doyle sent me. I was like, well, who's this Doyle guy? So I finally found out who was actually sending it to me, and I checked out the video, and sure enough, he talked about me on his video. It ended up getting me a plus 12 subscribers for that week after he posted the video, which when I think at the time I had maybe 40-ish subscribers at most, with probably half of them family and friends. That was actually a significant boost for me, and it really kind of helped me get motivated to kind of really start attacking the channel. I think him being able to shout me out on that video kind of led to other opportunities for me as well, which we'll get into in later episodes of this. But I really just wanted to start and thank everyone in the community on a one-by-one basis as far as how you've helped me. Now, maybe these videos aren't going to be super entertaining to everyone out there, but I would hope everyone within the SUPPORTMVC community can appreciate these. And if for some reason you're not subscribed to one of the channels that we feature on this little playlist, I guess you could call it, please go definitely check them out. So again, make sure you go check out Blue Bike Doyle. Some of the things that he does on his is he has the Sunday Fun Days, which again are his shout out videos. He pretty much rides around, shouts out some channels to go check out. Really cool. The next thing he'll do is he does a ton of mail calls. He gets a ton of mail sent to him. I sent him some poker chips, which luckily arrived. He taught me the value of using a padded envelope because when he got the envelope, it was already pretty much open. But luckily, all the poker chips were still inside. But there was a little bit of a scare for a second. And then when you're watching him do these mail calls, just look how he opens up to the mail call with a giant, almost like a bayonet knife. First time he was doing it, I was like, oh, he's not cut off his finger. But he's practiced. He knows what he's doing. Some of the other things that you'll see on Doyle's channel is you will see what he calls dicking around the shed, which is basically him doing dicking around in his shed. He's doing maintenance on his bike or his wife's Spider. Hell, the other day he made cornbread inside of his shed. There's just no range as far as what he can and can't do. And if you follow him long enough, you're going to see he's really big in the community. I mean, he's met up with other fellow moto vloggers. He's even met up with John Maxwell of Maxwell's Garages. So definitely check out Doyle, check out what he's doing. And Doyle, if you're watching this, I want to say thank you for giving me my first initial push. It was definitely a big motivator for me. And as always, guys, I am Brett. This is the Chopper Fett channel, and it wouldn't be anything without you guys. So with that being said, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. Thank you so much. Chopper Fett out. See ya.